This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Howdy folks, today we're going to test the Ford F-150 Lightning in the banana box test. We'll put banana boxes in various places to see how much space we have. And then we have to do the ultimate stacking on the bed. But yes, let's start with the Frunk. You see here we have a big motorized Frunk. Really useful. We have securing hooks here in the front. We have this lid that can be taken out. Wait, should I take it out then? Yeah, okay, of course. For maximize space, take out all that and then we try to put banana boxes in here. I'm not sure how far we can go up there. Oh, this doesn't work, but at least here. Does this? No matter how we try, we cannot fit 5, but at least 4. That is actually 3 more than all the other cars. Some cars like Tesla can fit 1 only, well, until we try Cybertruck, but at least now 4 in the front. Nice. And in the back we have some nice solution. Open the gate, it's motorized. And then also here the cover can be open and locked also. All right, and then slide it open. There, but then how do an old fart like me get up here? No problem, look. Open here. This is a step up and then we have something to hold on to. Like now, and now, hallelujah! Man, Ford is so awesome. So let's try to put banana boxes here, but then we can't just stack them up like that. Let's put them in here, but then we must be able to close the lid. Okay, round 1. See that we managed to close everything. How many? Oh, I have to do all this again.
Open up, yeah, like this. Open the cover. Okay, it seems like it's not easy to use the glove. Okay, no, that's fine. Yeah, right. Slide it open. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
17 in the trunk, plus 4 in the front. We are at 21 now. But we can also put some in the back seat. See here, if we pull this, we can fold them up like this. Also on the other side. Let's go in here. Wow, so much space here. Yeah. Oh, and then what is this? It seems like the Ford comes with spare parts for when it breaks down. Nice. They thought of everything. Wow, this is impressive how much space you have here. Look at the leg room. Normally I can put 1 flat like that, 1 here, 2. Well, okay, the seat is up, but and all the way to the roof here, huh? This is insanely good. Let me see on this side. See, I also close the door here. This side I had to arrange them slightly differently, but really lots of space.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22,
23. This back seat area can take more boxes than the bed. It's just insane. I count here. 23 plus 14, that's 37 plus 4. It's 41. And we haven't even utilized the open space. This is just insanely good. Top notch. You don't need an SUV. You need this mother trucker. Now, I need to stack as many as possible in the bed. Oh yeah, now I stacked it like Thai people do it. Just, you know, with this pickup truck, you have unlimited space. Yeah, it's like the sky is the limit, right? Oh yeah. So now we're just gonna go for, wait. It's a thumbnail. I just need a cowboy hat now. Yeah, like this. Oh. Well, can we drive like this? Let's try. Yeah, you see it works. No problem. Yeah. Very safe. You can back up also. As long as you're careful, no problem. Okay. Let's just leave it there. So, there you guys have it. F-150 Lightning. It is the best when it comes to space. Cybertruck, go home. So that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.